This is Spicy Nasi Goreng. Tastes way better than takeout. Today I'm showing you how to make this classic Indonesian fried rice right in your own kitchen. It is arguably the most famous spicy fried rice in the world. And seriously, once you know how easy this is, you will never go back to takeout again. So, let's get cooking, shall we? Nasi Goreng isn't just fried rice. It's about two specific things that give it that iconic dark color and the deep flavor. First, kecap mayonnaise. This is Indonesian sweet soy sauce. It's thick and dark and it is the soul of the dish. Now, if you don't have it, don't panic because I will show you how to DIY it in 5 minutes. First, add a half a cup of soy sauce, half a cup of brown sugar, a star anise, a crushed garlic clove, a ginger slice, and some black peppercorns to a saucepan. Heat it up under low to medium heat. Stir the sauce and let it thicken up. The sauce will continue to thicken as it cools down. This sauce can be stored in the fridge for about 6 months. So if you make a big batch now, you can use it for a quite long time. Second, the shrimp paste. This adds that umami to the dish and it elevates the nasi goreng to a next level. If you can't find the shrimp paste, you can sub it with fish sauce or some ground dried shrimp. The rest is simple. Cold rice, shallots, garlic, ginger, chili peppers, and some protein. I'm using chicken today, but use whatever's in your fridge. Traditional nasi goreng uses a mortar and pestle to grind the aromatics into a paste. If you have the arm strength, you can go for it. But if you're like me and you want a quick dinner now, use a small food processor or just mince them really fine. Also, slice some spring onions. We will use them to get that fresh oniony kick. Get your pan screaming hot. A wok is the best, but a big skillet works too. Add some oil. Now, we fry the aromatics first. You want to smell that garlic and the chili across the street. Now, add your chicken, drop in your shrimp paste now so it toasts. Once they are almost cooked, push them to side. Then add in the rice. Use cold, day-old rice if possible. If you use fresh, hot rice, you're making porridge, not fried rice. Break the rice with a spatula or the ladle. Let it fry for a little bit. Now, pour in the sweet soy sauce. Watch the color change. That deep mahogany, that's what we want. Toss it hard. You want the rice to almost jump in the pan. Nasi goreng isn't finished until it's dressed. You need a fried egg on top. Add some oil to a hot pan and crack in the egg once the oil is hot. Once it is crispy, remove it from the pan. And don't forget the fresh side. Cut a cucumber into thin slices. Also, slice some tomato too. It seems like a garnish, but when the rice is this spicy and rich, you need that cool crunch to balance out the heat. Look at that! The color, the crispy egg, the smell of the toasted shrimp. It's incredible, guys. This is so good. The sweetness from the sweet sauce hits first. Then that slow burn from the chilies. It's so much more complex than your typical takeout fried rice. So stop ordering takeout and spend 15 minutes in your kitchen instead. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. And tell me in the comments down below how many chilies did you actually put in yours. And thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.